Welcome, in front of me is a Tecno Spark Go, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, we need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't locate this little thing, you could always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you will then take off a case of your device if you have one on. And it actually, oh no, there we go. I thought it might be a pop-off cover, but no. So the tray is located on the top left side of the device. Once you find that little insert pin, push the pin in and the tray will come out. And on the tray you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. So there we go. Place the cards on the tray and then carefully insert it into the device. Once you do so, the cards should start working right away. So I think this is already reception. Yeah, I think I'm already connected. It doesn't show me like any 4G or LTE or anything like that, but we have 2 bars. If I disable one of them, as you can see, no, there we go, now I'm on 4G. So the card is already working, at least the SIM card and SD card as well, which you can see right down here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.